Welcome back in today's class. Yesterday we were reading about the story of Tenali Raman. Maybe you have heard other stories also about Tenali Raman. He was very wise and clever person. We also read about Tenali Raman, and today we have to do the question answers of this chapter number 5. Let's start with exercise. First, read and answer. Read and answer. Okay. Yesterday we did question number 1, 2, 3 of this chapter. Now today we will start. Let's question number 4. What happened to the robbers in the end? What happens? What happened? Sorry. What happened to the robbers in the end? Means in the end of the story, what happened with the robbers? robbers जो थे उनके साथ स्टोरी के एंड में क्या होता है? Let's write the answer. Were nabbed. Nabbed means I have told you the Hindi meaning. By the robbers were nabbed by the Kotwal and his guards. With the help of Tenali, with the help of Tenali, the robbers were nabbed by the Kotwal and his guards with the help of Tenali. Okay. Means in the end of the story, तेनाली रामन की हेल्प से कोतवाल और उसके गार्ड्स ने रॉबर्स को पकड़ लिया, दबोच लिया. क्वेश्चन नंबर. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट द एक्सरसाइज सेकंड. From first exercise, this question was left remaining yesterday. Now we will start think and answer. Okay. Let's start. Think and answer. Do you know what is the meaning of these headings? In first, we wrote read and answer. Read and answer मतलब पीछे से स्टोरी में पढ़ो और रिप्लाई दो. Think and answer सोचो और रिप्लाई दो. Let's question number 1. Why did the Kotwal sing? Why did the Kotwal sing? Seek का मतलब होता है मांगना. Tenali Raman's help to catch the robbers. Means विजयनगर का जो कोतवाल था उसने रोबर्स को पकड़ने के लिए तेनालीरामन की हेल्प लेने तेनालीरामन से हेल्प क्यों मांगी? आंसर विल बी द कोतवाल as I told you while writing answer we used to do one change, and that is that we used to change verb in second form. In question we are getting did and first form of the verb, but in answer we are not using did, so we will use the second form of verb. Sick. What is the second form of sick? Sought. Manga. The Kotwal sought Tenali-Raman's help to catch the robbers. Look once. Still here, you are getting the answer from question. Look, the Kotwal, we have changed only sick in sought, and Tenali-Raman's help to catch the robbers. Still here, we will write from the question. Now, because he was a wise person, he was wise and clever. Now you understand why the Kotwal took help of Tenali-Raman, because Tenali-Raman was a wise and clever person. Okay. Now question number 2. Question number 2. Tenali-Raman and his wife. It's too long question. Tenali-Raman and his wife made sure that Tenali-Raman and his wife made sure that while they dropped the heavy box, in the well, they were washed by the robber. Why do you think they did so? Why do you think they did so? Do you know what is the meaning of this question? Tenali-Raman and his wife, when they were dropping the heavy box, wooden box in their well, at that time, why they want that the robber should watch them? वो ऐसे क्यों चाहते थे कि जब वो बॉक्स को कुएं में डाल रहे हैं उस टाइम पे वो रोबर उन्हें देखे? ऐसा क्यों चाहते थे वो? What do you think? They did so. उन्होंने ऐसा क्यों किया? आपको क्या लगता है? Let's do the answer. Can you tell the answer? If you know in rough notebook, you can write it and you can send me the pic of it. You can attach it in assignment. Okay. So let's see the answer. They did so because they did so because it was a part of his plan at the robbers to net the robbers. यानी ये उस रोबर्स को पकड़ने का जो प्लान तेनालीरामन ने बनाया था, वो जासूस उनको देखे, ये उनके प्लान का एक पार्ट था. अगर जासूस उन्हें नहीं देखता, वो वुडन बॉक्स कुएं में डालते हुए, तो रोबर्स को कैसे पता चलता है कि तेनालीरामन का जो वेल्थ है, धन संपत्ति या रिचेज है, वो कहाँ है? कुएं में गिरी हुई है. उसने देखा तभी तो उनको बोला. एंड जब उस रोबर ने जाके अपने गैंग लीडर यानी अपने चीफ को बताया, किसे पता है तेनालीरामन का सारा धन कहाँ है, then they came there to stall the well. वो उसको चुराने के लिए वहाँ आते हैं. and this was the plan of तेनालीरामन. इसीलिए उसने ये किया. Understand? Now guys, remaining 3 questions we will do in tomorrow's video. Okay, till then you should do these questions in your fair notebook. I have sent yesterday's question answers in assignment and today also I will send. So you have to complete these works day by day, every day, and learn them. Whatever hard words are there, I have given you, and you are having in your book also some hard words in the starting of the chapter. So you should learn them. If you will learn the hard words, it will be easy for you to understand the chapter. Okay, have a nice day.